Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And with that being said, not all update's probably not the right word for this video. I think confirmation would be more of an accurate term. Confirmation essentially of the levels that I talked about on Friday. And the first point of confirmation is where the buyers seem to be hanging out at, and that's down here at 30 cents. You can see this morning the bears try to press down through there. And yeah, they temporarily did for a split second, but that didn't last very long, and the bulls quickly pushed the price back upwards. So it does indeed appear that 30 cents here is an area where there's some levels of buyers at. And then on top of that, you still actually have the price doing a great job of holding up above that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, which I've talked about, in the past videos. And going forward, I mean, ideally speaking, yeah, if the price can continue to hold above that purple line, that would definitely be extremely impressive, given that there's, not much room here. But if the price doesn't hold above the purple line, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because again, yeah, you still have not only 30 cents, but other areas of support below you. But, just for simplicity's sake and not wanting to have annotations all over the place, I just want to focus on these two levels of support right now. Again, the preferable one, ideal, stay above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. But if that doesn't hold, then yeah, 30 cents down here, which held during the first 30 minutes right there, that would be that next area of support. The other point of confirmation is where the sellers were hanging out at. And again, if you watch the video from Friday, I put this line in a place up here right around 33 cents, give or take, right around the general area. And you can see that is exactly where, the price struggled today on several occasions. I'm not even going to try to count, but you can see just a whole bunch of times bulls try to push above there and couldn't quite do it. So that has just been confirmed as a level of resistance. And when I say resistance, I don't mean that it can never, ever be broken. I'm just saying, apparently, according to the story of the chart here, the bulls really are going to need to bring their A game to not only fight through that level, but then also be able to stay up above it with any sort of breaks through it. So all in all, though, taking a step back, looking at the grand scheme of things, this would still just be considered a bullish consolidation right now. So it's not like the chart's collapsed or anything like that. So overall, the chart's still looking good. The week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.